Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see the explanation as well as the implementation of the COVID run question that came in CodeChef October long challenge. Let's see the question. Here, in the question it is written that COVID-19 is spreading fast. There are n cities numbered from 0 to n minus 1, arranged in a circular manner. Okay, city 0 is connected to city 1, city 1 is connected to city 2, like this only city n minus 2 is connected to city n minus 1, and then n minus 1 city is back connected to city 0. So it you can understand is that it has a circular connection. As here you can see that city 0 is connected to city 1, then city 1 is connected to city 2, that is city 0 is connected to city 1, then city 1 is connected to city 2, then city 2 is connected to city 3, like this only city 3 is again backwards connected to city 0. So that's why it's you can understand it as a circular connection. So now the virus is currently at city X. There is some city X and virus is currently there. Each day it jumps from its current city to city K to its right, that is from city X to city X plus K mod N. This is the formula given of calculating the next city. We will talk about this further. As the virus jumps, the cities in between don't get infected. Cities once infected stay infected. Once the city is infected, it will always remain infected. You live in city Y, find it if it will reach your city eventually. If it will reach, then we will print yes, else we will not print, we will print no. So what the question want to ask to us that there is a one there is city given X and one there is city given Y. X is the city where the virus is initially present, and Y is the city where we want to know that is it possible for virus to jump to this city anytime. And then as you can see that it is given that each day it jumps from its current city to city K to its right. For example, if it is present in initially virus is present in the city 1, then next day and k is equal to 2, let's take k is equal to 2, then next day it will jump 2 position towards its right, that is 1 2 it will go to 3, then 3 to 5, then 5 to 7, like this it will keep on going. But why the formula is not simply given x plus k, why it is given as x plus k mod n? Let's see this. We will understand this question more clearly with the help of an example. Okay, so here I have written all the pointers that there are n cities given numbered from 0 to n minus 1. Initially virus is present in city X, and from city X each day it will jump to its kth position to its right. That all thing I have told you earlier. Can virus reach city Y? This is our question. But the question in the question, the formula that was given for to calculate the next city, that was x plus k mod n. X plus k mod n. This was the formula. This was the formula given. So we want to know why not simply x plus k? Why not when it is saying that 2 to 4, it will jump 2 position to, if k is equal to 2, then it will jump from 2 position towards right, then 4 to 6, then 6 to 8, then 8 to 10. Then why not x plus k directly? Why x plus k mod n? Let's understand this first. So as you can see, I will take this example first. As here x is equal to 2 and n is equal to 5. Let's draw an array of n is equal to 5 that will contain of 5 cities. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Cities are numbered from 0 to n minus 1. That's why I have started it from 0 and ended to 4. So currently where virus is present, x is equal to 2. So currently virus is present here, x is equal to 2. Current position of virus, initial position of virus is x is equal to 2. Now y is equal to 1. This is you can say this is the position that we want to find, our destination that we want to reach, that we want to check that if it's possible for the virus to reach here. Is it possible to for the virus to reach here to this position? Is it possible for the virus? This was the question. Now, what is k? K is equal to 2. That is, we can jump 2 position towards its right. So, From 2 it will jump to 4. Next day from 2 it will jump to 4. Okay, with the formula x plus k. Now from again 4 it will jump to 6, but 6 is not present in the array. So that's why we are taking this formula to avoid this error. If we will take only simply x plus k, then it will give us 6, and 6 is not present in the array. So the error will be thrown that index is out of bound of exception, index out of bound exception will occur. So to avoid this array, we are doing mod n. We are doing mod n. And what will be the value? What will be the value if we do mod n? So here 4 plus 2 mod n, that is equal to 4 plus 2 is equal to 6 mod n. And what is n here? 5. So 6 mod 5, it will give the remainder. And what will be the remainder? Remainder will be 1. So it will go again from 4 to 1. It will not go in this manner. Because city 4 is connected to city 0. City 4 is connected to city 0. So that's why we cannot take a normal array. Here the concept of circular array will come. Here the concept of circular array will come. So we will take the circular array. We will better understand with the help of circular array. Okay, let's take this array, circular array, and here city 0, city 1, city 2, and city 3, and city 4. So what was the initial position of the virus? What was the initial position of the virus? Initial position of the virus was x is equal to 2. X is equal to 2. So initial position is this is the initial position of the virus, that is x. From 2 it will jump to its 2 position towards its right, it will jump to 4. From 2 it will jump to 4. And what is our target? What is our target? That we want to check this is our target. This we want to check that can virus keep on jumping in this manner, then can it reach this position. So from 4, where it will jump? 2 position towards its right. What is 2 position towards its right? 2 position towards its right is 1. So and what position we want to check? 1. So we will print here yes, because it is reaching position 1. It is reaching position 1, so we will print yes. Because as I have told you, with the help of formula 4 plus 2 mod 5 equals to 1, so it will reach only 1. So we will print in this case position is equal to yes. So now let's take another example. Let's take this example. uh, let's take this example, this bigger one example first. Let's take, we will understand more clearly with the help of this. N is equal to 12, k is equal to 3, and x is equal to 4, and y is equal to 2. So when we will draw this circular array, which will consist of 12 cities, this time it is not consisting of 4, it is consisting 12 cities. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So this is the circular city. This is the city 9. This is city 10. It is city 11. 8, 9, 10, 11. And we are starting from 0. City 0. So from what is our initial position where virus is present? What is the initial position where virus is present? That is x is equal to 4. So this is our initial position. This is our initial position where virus is present. Initial position of virus. And which position we want to check? We want to check y is equal to 2. That can virus reach this position? Can virus reach this position? This is our target position. And what is k? K is equal to 3. That is k is equal to 3. That is we can jump 3 position towards its right. So now let's apply the formula that is given in the question. So what is the formula that is given in the question? That is, for each next day, the x plus k mod n. This is the formula. X plus k mod n. This is the formula. So next day, what is x here? 4. What is k here? K is equal to 3. 4 plus 3 7. And mod, what is mod? what will the city n is equal to 12. So 4 plus 3 is equal to 7, 7 mod 12, what will be the answer? 7, because it is giving us the remainder. So from 4 we can say that from 4 the virus will jump to 4 to 7, from city 7 to city 7. And as you can see, it is jumping 3 position to its right, 1 2 3. So from 4 it is jumping to 7. Now when we start jumping from we check for other. Now x is 7. Now position of now in the value x you can put 7, because virus is now currently present in 7th, at 7th position. So now x plus k mod n, that is 7 plus 3 mod 12. So 10 mod 12, what will be the answer of 10 mod 12? It will be 10. So from 7 now, from 7 where it will jump? From 7 it will jump to back to 10. 8, 9, 10. That is 3 position. So 8 is first position, to 1 position towards its right, 9 is second position towards its right, 10 is third position towards its right. And using the formula we are getting 10. So now again we are checking for the further 10. Now this time x is equal to 10. Now the position of virus is equal to 10. Now 10 plus 3 mod 12. What is 13 mod 12? 13 mod 12 is 1. And as we can see, when we will jump from uh, 10 to 1, it is 3 position. It is 3 position. 11 is first position, 0 is second position, 1 is third position. So we are getting 1. Now from 1 where we will go? From 1 where we will go? 1 plus 3 mod 12. From 1 we will go to 4. As 1 plus 3 is equal to 4, 4 mod 12 will be giving us 4. So from 4, from 1 it is going back to 4. That was the last position, which was the initially position that was given us to in the question, that initially x was equal to 4. Here you see this, initially x was equal to 4 and we are back at 4. So now if we start repeating the operation again, we will get the same loop again. We will again reach from 4 to 7, because the same formula is applying. The formula will not change, and the formula, using that formula we will again get these values only repeating. From 4, if we apply again from 4 formula, let's see this, 4 plus 3 mod n is equal to 12. So 7 mod 12, what is 7? So again we are getting 7, again we are going to 7. Now from again 7 we will go to 10, from again 10 we will go to 1, from 1 again we will go to 4. So this will be infinite loop. This will be infinitely jumping from here to this to that position only, same position only. So, and what was the target position? The target position was 2, that we want to check that is that the virus is able to infect city 2. So it is never infecting city 2, because if it is jumping from one city to other city, it will never infect the city that is between those cities. And the city 2 and city 3 are in between the city 1 and 4. Now, and so it will infect city 1, it will infect city 4, it will infect city 7, it will infect city 10, but it will not infect city 2. So answer will be here no. The answer here will be no, because it is again, in fact, it will be never able to infect the city 2. Now let's check for this small example. This example, n is equal to 6 and k is equal to 2. Suppose n is equal to 6, k is equal to 2, y is equal to 3. So now if we make it circular array for this, 1 0 1 2 3 4 and 5, that is 5 cities are present, 6 cities are present, numbered from 0 to 5, and because it was given in the question only. Now what is our initial position? X is equal to 5. This is at the initial position of the virus. Initial position of the virus. And what is our target position? Y is equal to 3. This we want to check, that are we able to jump k is equal to 2. So we are we able to jump 2 position right, and we can reach city 3 and infect the virus, and virus can infect the city 3. So we will check this. So again we will start applying the formula that was given us, x plus k mod n. So what is x here? X is 5. What is k here? K is 2. And what is n here? N is 6. So 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. 7 mod 6 is equal to 1. So from 5 it will jump to 1. And you can see with the help of formula we are jumping 2 position towards right. 5 to 0, 1 position. 0 to 1, 2 position. So we are jumping towards this position 1. And now from 1 where it will jump? Now the value of x is 1. Now the position of the x is equal to 1. The position of the virus is equal to 1. So we will take 1. 1 plus 2. K will remain same. Mod 6. 1 plus 2 mod 6. That is 3. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. 3 mod 6 is equal to 3. So here you can see that we are reaching this destination point, this 3 point that we want to reach, that we want to check, and we are this is equal to y. So we will print yes. Yes, it is infecting. It is infecting. This city is getting infected. The city 3 is getting infected because we are reaching. We are able to reach this city 3. So this was the examples that I have that was given in the questions also, and one example I have taken by myself. So what observation, what approach we can see that we can use has, as here you can see that when the answer is no, then it will be, there will be an infinite loop. There will be in infinite loop. When the answer is no, there will be an infinite loop. And when the answer is x, we will get the x. For example, answer is equal to yes, and we will get the city y. So we can put this condition that when the we are getting this value is equal to y, we will break the condition and we will print yes. We will print yes and break the condition. But what if we are not getting this value? It will keep on running, keep on running, keep on running. So what condition we can put? What condition we can put that there the loop stops? The condition that we can put is that you are able to see here that it is repeating the same loop when it is reaching the initial position again. So we will store x in some variable, or we will use another variable for updation, and we will check that if the updated position is again equal to x, then we will not repeat, then we will simply print no. So you can understand this by this pseudo code, that first we will take the variable. Let's take variable d, and in d we will store the next position. We will store the next position, that is x plus k mod n, and this formula is given in the question itself. X plus k in the x plus k mod n. Now while d is not equal to x, d is not equal to x, what we will do? We will check if d is equal to y, then we will print yes and break the loop, and we will break it. We will break the loop. And if it is not equal to y, then what we will do? Then we will simply update it, and we will keep on updating till this condition is reached, till d is not equal to x. So we will keep on updating it. So what we will do? We will again do d is equal to x plus k mod n, and we will close this loop. And if this condition is not true, then we will print no. We will print it no. So now what is the edge case here? What is, just pause the video and just think of edge case here. Just pause the, I want you to think the just edge case. There is only one edge case here. What can be it be? What can it be? Just pause the video for few seconds and just think that what will be the edge case. Okay, I'm hoping that you must have found the edge case. So let's see what will be the edge case. Now we are updating the value of x plus k, value of x. We are reaching the next position. Now what if x is equal to y? What if x is equal to y? What if in the question the initial position of virus and the position which we want to check are the same? What is? Then the answer will be always yes. But if we will check here, we will check this check in this loop, then answer will be always no, because we are updating d. We are updating the value of x. So it will give now, it will not equal to y, it will be something else, some else position, the kth position towards its right. And we are if the d is equal to x, we will break the loop here. When d will equal to x, if d is equal to x, then we will break the loop. So we can never get this condition, and this is true, but we will always get no. So to avoid this condition, to avoid this, we will take initially, we will take in beginning only that if x is equal to y, that is x is the x and y are same, we will simply print yes, and we will check for the another test case. There is no need to check for the further updation. There is no need of performing these operations, because when x is equal to y, then there is no need of performing these operations. Now let's see the implementation of this question. So this is the implementation. Basically, I have taken the input int n is equal to the input format that I show you in the question, that you can see here. The input format is, first we will take n, then k, then x, then y. So what will be the input format? First we are taking n, then we will take k, then we will take x, then we will take y. And what is loop here? The loop is same as the d. We are updating the position, for next day, and I will tell you further that why this boolean I have taken this variable. So as I have told you, the edge case, this is the edge case, that when x is equal to y, then we will simply print yes when x is equal to y, and so we will continue the program that it will run for the another test case. Now, if while loop is not, that is, while this position is not equal to x, that I told you here, that while, here you can see that while this was the condition now, that after this it reach initial position back, that is x to back, it reach this position, then it will keep on loop, it will keep on going as an infinite loop. So to avoid this, we are using this position, that while loop is not equal to x, and if loop is equal to y, we will simply print we are reached the position, we will simply print yes, and we will break the loop. Else if this condition is not true, then we will update for the next day, we will check for the next day, that where the virus is going on the next day, we will check for the next day, next update condition. And if loop is equal to x, then it will go infinite, we will break the loop. Now why we are using this boolean f variable, let's remove this f variable and then check. Let's remove this f variable and then check that what's the need of this f variable. Now suppose for some condition the loop is equals to y, that is we are getting the desired position that we want, and virus is reading and we are printing yes, we are breaking the loop. So it will print yes, but it will also print no. To avoid this condition, to avoid this error, we are using this flag variable. Because if we will not use this flag variable, then we cannot know that if this is, if I am using here that I am making it initially, I am taking f is equal to true, and if I am printing yes, then I am doing f is equal to false. And I will print only no only when if f is true. If f is true, and f will be true when there will be no when we will never reach this position y, then f will be always remaining true. Then that's why we are printing no. So to avoid this error that we print both the, when in the case of yes we print both the yes and no, I'm using this boolean variable that is f. Now let's run this program on sample test cases that is given in the question and check the output. Is it giving the correct output or no? Output is yes and no. Here you can see yes and no. Only subtask 1 is there, no other subtask is there. Yes, we are getting the same output. So this program is correct. I hope you are able to understand this question and its explanation as well as its implementation. The question was really easy because we were given the formula in the question itself, that is x plus k mod n, and this made the then there is no need of thinking of the formula also. So just you need to understand the circular array thing. Just see that part, that how it is jumping from position, what will happen when the position is going outside the bound, but why we are taking x plus k mod, and because the last city is connected towards the first city, so it's just forming the circular array type structure. So and the formula is given in the question itself. So the question was the easy and the cakewalk question. That's all. Thank you for watching.